Hi, it's Elaf, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create some beautiful lifestyle images and videos of your own products using AI. In this video, I am going to show you some earrings and how you could create before and after photos with one input image. I'm making a series of videos that show you how to use AI to create product photos and videos of different products in different niches. So if that's something that you would find interesting, then feel free to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see next. The content you create could be used anywhere. So this could be on your Amazon storefront or on your Shopify store or your marketing campaigns or social media or wherever else you need to post product content. So I'm just going to jump straight into it and show you how to start. First, I'm going to show you how these dangly earrings look in the creative versus accurate mode, so you could see which mode might work best with your products. Starting on the background remover tab, I'll select the earrings that I want or upload new ones if you want to do that from your computer, and send it to the AI product photos tab by clicking the green generate product photos button. The default mode is creative, so I'm going to type in my prompt straight away. Here I want to see close up of these earrings on a 35-year-old mixed race woman, side facing pose, bright lighting, black studio background, focus on elegance and detail, and then click generate. It takes a few seconds to load, then a photo is created. I quite like this first one, so I'm going to save it and generate a couple more to see how they turn out and save the ones I like. Now let's compare it to a photo generated on accurate mode. Going back to the input image on the background remover tab, I'll select it and then click send to studio editor and then reposition it like I mentioned before. The accurate mode takes the exact input image and generates an AI background. So in this case, I'll crop out one of the earrings and just keep one other earring and position it in the place that I can imagine it being on an AI model. I can come back and reposition it at any time, but for now I'm going to click the green generate product photos button to send it to the AI editor. On this tab, I'll click the accurate mode button since the default is creative mode and then edit the existing prompt. It now says on a 35-year-old mixed race woman, close up, side facing pose, bright lighting, black studio background, focus on elegance and detail. Now I'm going to scroll to the image component on the left and paint over the back of the earring, since you won't really see that on a model if they were wearing the earring. And once happy, I'll click generate. It takes a few seconds to load, but 4 images are created. I'll flick through them to select the one I like. They didn't all turn out very well, but I like this one, and the only issue is that the earring looks quite big, but there is a way for me to manipulate it. So what I'm going to do is click the edit button, then paint over the earring and click generate to remove the image. This didn't turn out well, so I'm going to just magic erase it instead. Now that I've erased the earring, I'm going to click the send to studio editor button. When the image is in the studio editor, I'll click the fit to page button, then click position to bottom. This will layer the earring on top of the AI generated photo. Equally, you could just upload the photo again directly or send it from the background remover tab again. But now I can edit the earring to make the size more realistic. Across the board, AI struggles with spatial dimensions, so accurate dimensions and sizing doesn't work very well with any AI that you'll use. The models are getting better every day, but for now, workarounds like this are useful. If I need to touch up the photo, I'll send it to the AI editor again and paint around the part that needs editing. Write a prompt if necessary to make it more natural, but the AI is also good at interpreting context, so you don't have to have a prompt at all. I like how the photo turned out, and I'm going to go through this process again so I could create another one. So send the photo from the studio editor, click the accurate mode, type the prompt, paint over the back of the earring, then generate. Select the photo I like, click edit, paint over the earring, click magic erase, then send to the studio editor, position the original earring on top of the photo, and no further edits are needed on this one, so I'm just going to save it right here. And finally, I'll show you what all the photos generated look like together side by side. Next, I'll show you how to do the same thing to get these videos in landscape and portrait mode for these earrings. I'm on the background remover tab like before, select the earrings in my assets or upload one to remove the background, and then send it to the AI product photos and videos tab by clicking the green button. On this tab, the default mode is images, so select video, then I'm going to type in the prompt straight away. Here I want to see a close-up of these exact earrings on a 50-year-old Swedish woman, side-facing pose, bright lighting, black studio background, focus on elegance and detail, zooming out slowly, woman looking down and laughing, then the camera zooms out slowly, and click generate. It's good to emphasize you want this product and any other details you think are necessary, since the AI will be replicating the product and some subtle details are not always picked up on. I like how this video turned out, so I'm going to download it to my computer and watch again. Before I move on, I'm going to click portrait mode to generate another video in portrait mode. Feel free to edit the prompt if you want to change anything, but I'm going to keep it the same. I like how this video turned out, so I'm going to save it.